Good day everyone. We are here to present McDonald's worldwide supply chain. McDonald's run one of the most famous effective supply chains driven by three core strategies. Forecasting, materials from potatoes to packaging arrive just in time. This approach eliminates stockouts and minimize storage.
Today, I will explain how simple moving average forecasting is applied to predict demand at McDonald's using French fries as an example. The simple moving average method is one of the most common techniques for forecasting, especially when demand follows relatively stable patterns, which is typical for McDonald's core items. The idea is to take the average demand from a set number of previous periods, such as 4 days, and use that average to predict the demand for the next period. For example, let's say we want to forecast the demand for French fries on day 5. We look at the sales data from the past 4 days. Let's assume the sales for day 1 to day 4 were 500, 600, 550 and 700 units respectively. To calculate the forecast, we sum up these values and divide by 4. So, the forecast demand for day 5 will be 612.5 units of French fries. We repeat this process for each period. The moving average helps McDonald's adjust inventory levels to match predicted demand, ensuring they are neither overstocked nor understocked, which helps optimize resources and reduce waste. This method is particularly useful for core menu items that have consistent demand patterns over time, such as French fries. In summary, simple moving average forecasting is an easy-to-use and efficient method that helps McDonald's manage inventory and forecast future demand accurately based on historical data.
Assalamualaikum, I am Nur Anis Ilyana and today I will explain the resource planning system, the aggregate production plan, the master production schedule and the material requirement planning for McDonald's Malaysia. First, the resource planning system (ERP) connect all departments in the company. It helps McDonald's manage material, workers, machine and money more efficiently. Next, the aggregate production plan (APP) use a level strategy producing 2,000 units every month. Early in the year, production is higher than demand. So extra onward, demand become higher and McDonald's may use overtime or temporary workers to avoid shortage. Then the master production schedule (MPS) change the monthly plan into weekly production. For French fries, weekly production stay steady so McDonald's can keep 200 to 300 units in stock and avoid running out. Finally, material requirement planning (MRP) decide what material are needed and when. Each fries unit need potatoes, oil and packaging. With a week lead time, McDonald's order material weekly to make sure every time arrive on time. In summary, ERP, MPS and MRP help McDonald's meet customer demand and manage resource smoothly.
Today, I present about inventory management at McDonald's. Inventory management is critical because McDonald's operates in a fast-paced environment serving millions of customers daily. The company must ensure the right product is available at the right time, in the right quantity, and at the right cost. Independent demand refers to finishes goods like Big Mac, fries, and beverage, which depend directly on customer purchases. Dependent demand refers to raw materials such as buns, patties, and packaging, which are calculated based on production schedules. To manage this, McDonald's applies just-in-time or JIT, where fresh ingredients are delivered frequently to reduce storage costs and maintain product freshness. However, because JIT alone and can be risky during demand spike or supplier delays, McDonald's also keeps safety stock for critical items like patties and fries as a buffer. Compared to reorder point, which triggers replenishment at a fixed threshold, JIT and safety stock are more flexible and suitable for McDonald's fast-paced operation. Finally, the company supports this model with inventory tools such as barcode, which are cost-effective for daily restaurant operation and RFID, which improve bulk tracking and traceability in distribution center. Together, these approaches ensure lean operation, reduce waste, and maintain customer satisfaction worldwide.
Today, I'll be presenting Service Response Logistics in McDonald's Malaysia. Service Response Logistics or SRL refers to the coordinated processes that ensure fast and smooth service operations. For McDonald's, this is essential because it operates as a quick service restaurant where speed, accuracy, and consistency directly influence customer satisfaction. McDonald's service operations include counter orders, drive-through self-ordering kiosks, and McDelivery. This depends on accurate forecasting, real-time inventory, tracking, and just-in-time food preparation to keep product available and reduce waiting time. Delivery services like GrabFood and Foodpanda also rely on synchronized kitchen processes to ensure orders remain fresh and arrive quickly. Supply chain management support customer satisfaction by ensuring product availability, maintaining food safety, speeding up service time, and reducing order errors through automated tracking and standardized procedures. However, challenges still exist, especially in maintaining fast service speed, consistent quality across outlets, cost control, and responding to sudden spikes in demand. These are addressed through the demand forecasting, efficient staffing, and strict supplier standards. In conclusion, SRL is the key to McDonald's ability to deliver fast, consistent, and high quality service nationwide. Thank you.
To conclude our presentation, the ultimately McDonald's, their service response logistics ensure this tightly controlled supply chain backups all operations like the drive-thru. This continuous synchronization is how McDonald's consistently delivers the speed, quality and service excellence customers expect. That's from us. Thank you.